When it comes to generating beautiful, professionally looking business graphics to promote a business or services, then Google Gemini is top of my list. Google Gemini's Nano Banana is literally a game changer when it comes to generating high quality business graphics to promote your business or services on social media. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different business graphics that you can create in just a matter of minutes. All right, so the first business asset or graphics that we will be creating is my personal favorite, which is a comic strip. Now, for some reason, I have always loved comic books with the bubble text effects in them. So it just makes perfect sense to create one for my business. All right, let's go ahead to see how we can actually create the comic strip. Now, open up Google Gemini and then go to tools here. Make sure it's turned to create image. And then next, we're going to go ahead to pick a style for our image. So I'm going to come here and choose this dynamite. I like this dynamite. So next, I'm going to go ahead to add in a character. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, click upload files. And I'm going to add my own image as a character on my graphics. Click open, and once it's added in here, come here and change this to thinking mode. And then next, we're going to go ahead to add in our prompts. So here is the prompt. It is a little bit detailed and long, which says create a 4-panel comic strip about how to use AI for your business effectively with clear conversational speech bubbles and short engaging text in each panel. And it has different sections. We have the art style, prompt or instruction. We have the main character instruction, and it says the main character must remain consistent in all panels, right? And we have also the layout of our comic panels. We have the panel instructions. You can see panel 1 should be the problem. It should show a woman frustrated or facing a clear relatable problem related to how to use AI for your business effectively. And you have panel 2, which is the introduction of the solution, which shows how my product or services help solve the problem that we have given in panel 1. And then panel 3 is literally the transformation, right? So once I have all that in here, I can then just go ahead and click this arrow and let's wait. All right, so it has generated the image. You can see this is the exact same character. This is my own image. It has turned me into a comic character. As you can see, basically it just gave me exactly what I wanted, right? So if you're happy with your result, you can then go ahead and download it and store in your device, and then you can go ahead and upload it or probably print it out. Here's another one that I created and it's looking great. All right, so the next business asset we're going to be looking at is a flyer. All right, so you can easily create a flyer using Google Gemini. Now let me show you how I did mine. So I went up to Pinterest and I went to the search bar and searched for some designs inspiration, and I got this one. I downloaded it and stored in my device, and then I went back to Google Gemini. I uploaded the design and also an image of myself, and then I give it this particular prompt, and it says act as a senior professional graphic designer with over 15 years of experience in branding, marketing, and high-end flyer design. Using the uploaded reference flyer as inspiration, create a high quality professional A5 flyer, which is 5.5 by 8.5 inches, to promote my services as a social media manager, brand, and content strategist. Ensure the final design looks like it was crafted by a premium $5,000 design team. The flyer should have a modern, clean, and visually striking layout with a clear visual hierarchy and excellent readability. All right, so I went ahead and I gave it some other instructions. I also added my contact details, and this is the final look of the design. You can see how it looks. It looks so professional and it looks like exactly what I needed. It has all the key services that I wanted. Now you can always go ahead to make adjustments if in case maybe there's something wrong. Maybe as you can see, it gave me some form of a logo, but if I don't want the logo, I can just go ahead and ask it to make some changes and add my own specific logo. So you can see how easy it is to create flyers with Google Gemini. The next business graphic or asset I like to create is storyboards. So I'm going to come to Gemini, and then first step is to add in my character. Click on the plus sign, click upload files, and then select my image as the character I want in my storyboard. And then next, go to tools and change this to create image, of course, since we're going to be creating an image. Next, change this to thinking, which solves complex problems, right? And then we're going to go ahead to add in our prompts. So here is the prompts. And this is the prompts right here. And it says, create a 6-frame cinematic storyboard for a social media manager promotional image. And it has entire concept, which is POV, you hire me as your social media manager. And it also has the character instruction, use the uploaded photo of me as the main consultant or social media manager. And then it also has the storyboard layout, which is 6 panel arranged in a clean professional storyboard grid, 2 rows by 3 columns. And then we'll have the different frames. Frame 1 is establishing short, frame 2 medium short, consultant speaking, frame 3 is a close-up short, hands using laptop with AI tools. And then frame 4, cutaway, which is AI tool in action. Frame 5 is medium short, consultant presenting strategy. And frame 6 is the white short, which is the client success and satisfaction. And they also have the style and visual direction of the entire of the graphics, right? So this is a detailed prompt. Again, I'm going to leave it in the description box if in case you're interested in the prompts. All right, so once I have my prompt ready, I can just click this arrow and then wait for the graphic to actually load, and we can then see what it creates. All right, so here is the storyboard. You can see I have 6 frames, right? So these are 6 frames in one image. We can go ahead and click and download this image. All right, so let's just open it up and see it detailedly. You can see the establishing shot, which is a wide office view. So POV, hiring me, ensures a strategic approach for your mental health brand content. And then the medium shot is explaining the strategic plan to drive engagement and trust to the client. And then we have the close-up shot, which is efficiently using modern tools to create high impact scheduled content. Next shot is a deep dive into strategic planning, scheduling, and visible growth metrics. And they also have the medium shot right there, for which is presenting the clear roadmap to authority and audience growth. And then the last shot, which is achieving success and fostering a long-term partnership with positive brand impact. So as you can see, these are the 3 professional looking brand assets that I literally created in a matter of minutes using Google Gemini. Now I also showed you how to create sketch notes and carousel images in a matter of minutes using Gemini. So I'm going to leave the link of those videos in the description box if you're interested to watch them. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell button so that every time I upload a video, you're going to be the first to get notified. Thank you once more for watching, and see you in the next video.